Hi everyone, Master Teacher Holly Holland here with another one of our bone building exercises to help us overcome osteoporosis. Today I'm going to focus on some squat positions. I've got a folding chair, a nice non-skid surface, and 2 blocks to add for assistance. How do you squat and how far do you go? Most people try to go too much with their knees and not enough of their hip hinge and their glutes. We could use a chair just as a kind of a target right here. I'm going to take my feet about shoulder width apart, and as I press back, I'm drawing my abs in, and I'll use that chair as a target. In another video, we talk about how to get up and down from the chair, so progress from that. But in this position, I'm really learning how to get low to a place that I want to be. Now, if I want to open my hips a little bit more, I could bring that chair into me and practice on really widening through that. Notice what's happening here. I'm not trying to arch forward or drop back into my low back. I want to find those sit bones kind of perched up there and try to open my legs as far as I can. In this position, I'm pressing down into the floor, getting energy into my leg bones and then into my hips. I can even press into the chair here, activating through the wrist muscles. Nice tight core. How about from there? Well, if I want to get a little bit more open, I can build the floor up to me. I can take 2 blocks here, place them down, and now as I come into that sitting position, I'm really feeling the openness in the hip bones. Now I can work on developing a lot of stamina in the hips here. Walking the feet out. Again, find that nice upright position and press down into your feet as you drive that energy into your hips. Now, I've been doing yoga for a lot of years, so this final stage may not be available to you yet. You can also take a mat or something and roll it under your heels. But ideally, we want to be able to get into this position where you could press those hips nice and open, flat back position, and that's something to build to. I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much.